Nana's Beauty Science Salon. Day 5. A. The Baby and Body Science Room. The next door in Nana's salon was soft pink and white. The sign said, "The Baby and Body Science Room." Tinos looked at Nana. He said, "This sounds awkward." Nana said, "Only if we make it awkward. This is just human biology." Debbie nodded. She said, "Scientific words, simple explanations." Nana opened the door. Inside, there were body diagrams, flower models, baby photos, and a big mirror that said, "How Life Begins." Nana said, "Reproduction means producing more organisms of the same species." Tino said, "So humans produce humans, cats produce cats, flowers produce flowers." Nana said, "Exactly." She pointed to two signs. One said, "Asexual reproduction." The other said, "Sexual reproduction." Nana said, "Asexual reproduction needs one parent. There are no gametes and no fertilization. The offspring are genetically identical." Tinos looked at a small model of hydra budding. He said, "So the new one grows from the parent?" Nana said, "Yes, hydra can reproduce by budding." Then Nana pointed to the second sign. "Sexual reproduction needs gametes. In humans, the male gamete is the sperm cell. The female gamete is the egg cell, also called the ovum." Tino said, "Gametes are sex cells." Nana said, "Correct. Gametes are made by meiosis." She pointed to two labels. In males, meiosis happens in the testes to make sperm. In females, meiosis happens in the ovaries to make egg cells. Then Nana showed Tinos a model sperm cell. It had a head, a middle section, and a tail. Nana said, "Sperm cells are small and made for movement. The tail helps the sperm swim. The middle section has many mitochondria to release energy. The head contains the nucleus and genetic information. At the front is the acrosome, which helps the sperm enter the egg." Tino said, "So sperm is built to travel." Nana said, "Exactly." Then she showed him a large egg cell model. Nana said, "The egg cell is much larger. It does not swim by itself. It has cytoplasm with food reserves. It has a nucleus with genetic information. And it has a protective layer that helps allow only one sperm cell to enter." Tino said, "So the sperm travels, the egg provides a safe start." Nana said, "Good way to remember it." Then they moved to the male reproductive system diagram. Nana said, "The testes produce sperm cells. The scrotum holds the testes outside the body and keeps them slightly cooler, which helps sperm production. The sperm ducts carry sperm from the testes. Glands add liquid to protect and feed the sperm. The mixture of sperm and liquid is called semen. The semen leaves through the urethra and penis." Tinos pointed to the diagram. "So the urethra can carry urine or semen, but not both at the same time." Nana said, "Correct." Then they moved to the female reproductive system diagram. Nana said, "The ovaries contain egg cells. The oviducts, also called fallopian tubes, connect the ovaries to the uterus. Cilia in the oviduct help move the egg cell toward the uterus. The uterus is where a fertilized egg can attach and develop. The cervix is the strong lower part of the uterus. The vagina leads from the uterus to the outside of the body." Tino said, "Ovary, oviduct, uterus, cervix, vagina." Nana said, "Good." Then the room lights changed. A sign appeared, "Fertilisation." Nana said, "Fertilization happens when the nucleus of a sperm cell joins with the nucleus of an egg cell." Tino said, That makes the first cell of a new organism? Nana said. Yes, it is called a zygote. She showed a glowing cell on the screen. Nana said, the zygote contains chromosomes from both the sperm and the egg. The zygote then divides by mitosis to make more cells. Tino said, meiosis makes gametes. Mitosis makes more body cells. Nana smiled. Excellent. She wrote the memory script on the mirror. Reproduction makes more organisms of the same species. Asexual reproduction needs one parent. Asexual reproduction has no gametes and no fertilization. Asexual offspring are genetically identical. Sexual reproduction uses gametes. Sperm is the male gamete. Egg cell, or ovum, is the female gamete. Gametes are made by meiosis. Sperm are made in the testes. Egg cells are made in the ovaries. Fertilization is when sperm and egg nuclei join. Fertilization forms a zygote. The zygote is the first cell of a new organism. The zygote divides by mitosis. Tinos read the last line twice. Then he said, This was your awkward. It was just a process. Nana said, Exactly. Next, we follow the zygote into pregnancy and birth.